Hello, this is John with John's Marine Solutions. I'm here today to tell you about a new item that I just purchased for my new 2018 Scout Sport 177 fishing boat. I needed a charging solution for my main battery on the boat, as well as the two deep cycle batteries that are needed for my Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor. I did some research and decided to purchase a Minn Kota MK315D Charger. As with most boats, the available space for mounting a charger is at a premium. Also, the charger weighs 12 pounds, so that's more weight to carry around in your boat. Inasmuch as I don't do fishing tournaments where I need the onboard charger installed on the boat, and it is always parked in my garage, I came up with another solution thanks to some advice from a friend of mine. The articulating arm allows you to either tuck it in close to the wall out of the way when you're in your garage, or extend it out further for better access to the charging cables on your boat. After a little research on eBay, I found a TV monitor wall bracket that swivels and articulates that was suitable for my needs. Then I machined a custom bracket that allowed me to hook the TV wall mount to a special bracket that I could mount the MK315D charging system to. The two bolts you see at the top of the bracket are used to work with a plate that I have the charger mounted to that has keyhole slots in it. You just lift it up, slide it over the bolts, and it's secure. Whenever you want to take it somewhere else, all you have to do is lift it up and you can carry it out to the garage and use it for other charging purposes. This gives you an idea what the unit looks like when it's disconnected from the swiveling articulating wall bracket. Here are a few pictures of the modified ends where the connectors are attached to the digital charger. This allows for easy disconnect and removal from the boat after charging. Here are a few pictures of my hookup on my Scout boat. I used the Anderson power pole connectors. They have various colors of housings for these where you can color code them. They are also polarized plugs, so there's no chance of hooking up your charger backwards. If you look at the two on the left, they are red and black, and those are the ones that go to my two trolling motor deep cycle batteries. The one on the right, the blue and the black, is for my start battery. Here's a little adapter cable I made that I use for charging regular batteries like a car battery or a lawnmower battery, etc., etc. It's real handy, and all you do is plug it into one of the Anderson power plugs on the charger, take it out to your shop and use it. You're all set to go. This really adds to the versatility of the Minn Kota MK315D Charger, as you can use it around the house, charge your boat, do anything you want with it. It's really a great tool. I'm extremely satisfied with how the Minn Kota MK315D Charger works. It does a great job on both charging and maintaining the batteries in my Scout boat.